Well, today we're looking at a 3D crosswalk that Beaumont's installed with our partner, Alberta Traffic Supply. Like many things that we're trying to do in Beaumont, looking at innovative ways to solve potentially age-old problems and really ultimately enhance the safety of that crosswalk. As an example, to look at how that could be expanded to all crosswalks or other crosswalks within the city. Well, Beaumont did not come up with the idea ourselves, clearly. We were looking to work with partners, and when we learned about this technology about a year ago, we actually installed two 3D crosswalks at some other locations. The effect was not quite as strong as we would have hoped for, but it actually opened up this opportunity to work with Alberta Traffic Supply and try a different product that should have a stronger effect. Like many crosswalks, the goal is to create that visibility and awareness. Definitely a win for all parties, no matter what the cost. So when we break it down, this is no cost to Beaumont at all from a taxpayer perspective. In working with our partners, ATS, Alberta Traffic Supply, and Gaveco, the supplier of the product, it's ultimately no cost to the city.
So the product is developed overseas in Europe by a company named Gaveco. Gaveco Markings manufactures a preformed thermoplastic marking. What this product does is kind of act like a hot melt thermoplastic, like you'd see some of the other line marking companies around the city would do. But it's in a preformed state, so there's no need to preheat the road surface. You lay the product on the road and you heat the product, and through that heating process it makes a mechanical bond with the bitumens and the asphalt to basically become a permanent part of the road surface. It does cost a little bit more upfront than paint, about a third more, but it does last 5 to 7 times longer than paint. So overall, the cost of the product, overall the long-term life, is actually way less money than typical paint. So the three-dimensional crosswalk is something to grab the driver's attention. Typical, devices used in a school zone, you're seeing flashing signs like you see kind of further down the road. You see vibrant markings, regular zebra stripe crosswalks. Well, although those are something that we've become accustomed to seeing, and this is something that's going to be a lot different, and it's going to provide that anamorphic optical illusion as a driver's approaching the 3D crosswalk to make it look like it's sitting off of the road surface, hopefully having them slow down and kind of pay more attention to where we need them to pay most attention to, which is in the school zones.